Hey, what is up, investors? Jason here. So as the CPI data just came out earlier, the crypto market, the stock market, everything had a bit of a crash going on. So a lot of people are wondering, how are things going to be playing out with the technicals here? What does this mean as far as things go with Bitcoin? And really not a whole lot really changes as far as the technical goes, because we're still within a corrective wave right now. As you can see, if you look at where Bitcoin was here within this Fibonacci retracement, we're seeing that little bit of a dip right now. We've fallen back through that 50% Fibonacci level, but at the same time, this is just going to be our wave B within this next corrective wave. We still have a wave C that can still take us to any price prediction that we have here. So let's talk a little bit more about this. So as we do, if you don't mind, please do me a huge favor. Please be sure to smash this story, annihilate, or just gently press that like button. It helps me out a lot with YouTube algorithm, helps spread the content to more people that might find it interesting, and subscribe and push that bell notification if you have not already. Now, let's get to it. Now, as far as how things are going with crypto right now, the entire crypto market cap is still above $1 trillion. So that's at least a positive thing here. Bitcoin currently still above $20,000, around $20,800 right now at the moment. It's still up over these last 7 days, up more than 7.5%. Now, as far as how things did go with this sell-off as Bitcoin fell below that $21,000 price, we had 84,000 Bitcoin that did go back to exchanges, but this was just a lot of big money that was selling out of Bitcoin just to really manipulate the market. It happened real quick, right as soon as the announcement came out as far as inflation. Now, the numbers for inflation, of course, gas did go down, but nothing else really did. So we saw just a minor little bit of change in inflation, not enough to really change much of anything, nothing to really excite anybody because, well, everything else was still up. And also, we're going to need a few more months to really understand what's going on with inflation to help get a better handle on things. So let's look over at what we got going on in the market, see how this is all reacting as we're seeing the dust settle here at this moment. We have it here on the hourly chart. Bitcoin did end up falling below that 50% Fibonacci level. That's this price here that we have, that we're taking that 52-week low on June 18th where Bitcoin's price was under $18,000. We're taking that bullish fifth wave that we had that had Bitcoin above $25,000 from mid-August. We're back retracing under 50% of that high that we had. So what we're working on right now is really just trying to work back up to that 50% Fibonacci level first, and then hopefully pumping through and just reclaiming a lot of those previous losses that we had seen. Now, as far as things go, as the dust is settling now in this particular hour, we do have a green candlestick in the works, and this is what I see here. So we have our first wave, our wave A, we have our wave B. Hopefully this will be our wave B. And then as far as a wave C, I mean, really anything could happen from here. So I expect we're going to pump to that 50% Fibonacci level. We're going to keep pumping, hopefully, and we're going to be able to take Bitcoin possibly all the way within this bullish price prediction, which will take Bitcoin all the way back to around or above $25,000, hopefully, but really anywhere above $23,000, I'd say, is a pretty good bullish price prediction. And as you guys know, if you follow this channel, I do have some better price predictions for Bitcoin. Looking a little bit more out here, I have my moon prediction here, which is really just taking Bitcoin back to where it was this fourth wave within this larger bearish 5 waves that we did see, and that's taking Bitcoin back to the prices that it was back in May, June. So as we were really just getting into that, or completing that second quarter, I should say, as the second quarter was coming to the end into July, we started to see things start picking up a bit. We have these bullish waves that ended up correcting a bit, but we're continuing. Hopefully, as we get into this third quarter, that's where I think we're going to start really retracing a lot of this damage that happened in the second quarter of the year. So I think that Bitcoin will go back to that $30,000 price, and then hopefully from that time, which this is going to be from around the end of October to November, I expect it to start reclaiming a lot of these previous losses, really retracing a lot of that losses that it did have. So anyways, that's what's currently going on with Bitcoin. I just see this as a quick knee-jerk reaction, hopefully with some price stabilization and start seeing that price of Bitcoin start moving again. Cross our fingers with that one, if that is going to be the case. So anyways, though, with that being said, I'd like to hear your thoughts and opinions. So please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. Plenty more cryptocurrencies to talk about. I'm going to be jumping on the next one right now. And if there are any cryptocurrencies that you would like to hear me talk about, just feel free to mention it in the comments. Please don't say any very low market cap ones. I don't like to pump crypto. I like to talk about cryptocurrencies that have market caps in the billions of dollars, or if not, more than $500 million, I would prefer. So anyways, please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. I'll see you all in the next one coming very soon.